Everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have.
So like right there, guys, when you get that belt on, I basically have a diagram up. When you get that belt on, you literally have to push the belt on and play with the tension of it. You got to keep moving it back and forth. And make sure when you get the belt on, you do a finalized check. So that's the serpentine belt that I just installed. This one is a little bit weird. It's a Ford, so everything on the Ford is kind of weird to me. So now I'm going to show you guys how to install the stretch belt. And that stretch belt goes from the crank pulley to the AC compressor. And that one could be a little bit tricky to install. So what you have to do when you're installing that, of course they have a special tool to make your life a little bit easier. But in this case, I did not have the special tool, so let's forget about it. So what you have to do, where I have my thumb finger, you have to put your finger there, and you're gonna hold the belt just like that. Hold the belt just like that. And then when you hold it there on the AC compressor, then you only can rotate the motor clockwise. Always remember that. But you go counterclockwise a little bit, but not too much. Another thing, guys, you always want to mark your belt when you take them off. Because when you don't mark them, you could accidentally put them on the incorrect way. So I had to take this belt back off a little bit and adjust it. Of course, I didn't show it in the video because it would have been wasting my time. But like I said, when you're getting this belt on, just hold it by the AC compressor and rotate the belt clockwise, the crank pulley clockwise, and you'll be able to get it on. And like I said, you could rotate the pulley counterclockwise just a tiny bit, as you can see I'm demonstrating in the video, just a tiny bit so everything could sit flush on the crank pulley and the AC compressor. And once everything sit flush, then you know the belt is finally on. So now you can rotate it just to double check your work. Rotate it and double check your work. You don't want this belt accidentally flying off when the vehicle is on the highway or when the customer get the car back. Always rotate the crank pulley an extra 2 notches so you can know the belt is sitting flush. And I did that in the video, as you guys could see. Don't do a full notch backwards. Like, that's okay. You just want it to where the belt goes on. So I'm gonna just double check everything one more last time, and then I'm gonna show you guys me putting this thing right back in the car.
I'm going to give you my #1 tip to get over a breakup, and that is going to be going to therapy. Going to therapy helped me so much. It can help for so many other reasons, but this is like a really hard period for me. So going to therapy helped me get through all of it in a really healthy way. I've been going to therapy for about 6 months or over 6 months. And it's the world's largest therapy online. With BetterHelp, you can tap into a network network of over 30,000 licensed and experienced therapists who can help you with a wide range of issues. It's super comfortable, so you can do it over chat, like texting, video chat, or phone call. You can actually message your therapist at any time, and you can schedule the live sessions to when it's convenient for you. And my favorite part is that
make sure we not hitting on
get
nothing.
matched with at first isn't the right fit for you. You can change at any time. With BetterHelp, you get the same professionalism and quality that you expect from in-person, in-office therapy, but with a therapist who is custom picked for you, more scheduling flexibility, and an affordable price. Therapy can benefit everyone and anyone. I absolutely love BetterHelp.
The intercooler line was just here. We cleared that. Okay, let's send it up. Okay, we gotta clear the heater cord lines. We gotta get those up. Alright, let me send it up. See that? Just a little bit of lube, get it right in there.
Profile.
Test.
Relearn. I gotta run the shit out of it. We gotta hold. Wait, make sure it's not a proper. Literally took it from 178.6.
Alright.
That's why I said let it run.
Yeah, we gotta let it run a little bit. You programmed the training already, right?
I programmed the training already.
Alright, training's good, so. Yeah, I already put it I put 1 course in there, bro.
You put 1 course?
Yes, sir.
Alright, that's fine, man.
Alright, bet, pa. Come on, man. I'm on top of it, bro. Everything. So we gotta make it get a little bit warm. 176. And we're gonna move on from there. I'm not gonna forget that. I'm only gonna leave it on top for now. This is the old engine that we took out. And the only reason we took this one out is because coolant was getting inside the block area and down in the cylinder walls and area like those. So we swapped it out, and if you guys look, this thing had a huge oil leak coming from the timing cover coming down. So it's good that we swapped this out because the cover and everything was leaking anyways. And this is cover on the warranty, so you already know how that goes. So when I go on a test drive, I'm gonna take you guys with me, but for now I'm gonna put you guys down.
side of the shop. There's no money on it.
Yo, they have.
Go back to the south side over there.
Oh hell no, Pop. You get money on this side.
I don't know about all that.
You know that, Pop.
That's hot. That thing's fucking.
Yo, you know that shit gotta steam up for a minute, man. Yo, we trying to get you a tan, Pop.
My skin's all fucking dry
You
out
trying
now.
to get you a tan on this
There's
side.
some nibby or some shit. Oh yeah, he's still been sleeping alright.
Trying to get you a tan, what?
Let's get some fun. That's onion box over there, right?
Yeah, that's
Onion box is right there.
Nah, that's Jonathan box. That nigga
Onion,
doesn't.
is that good?
Yeah. How much should these actually be short to?
Like 2 or 3 onion nuggets.
You want to open the throttle?
No, it closed up the fuel pump.
Can you use it to relearn the throttle?
No. What you do is like just how you check with relative pressure. The gas pedal all the way on the floor.
Yo, you see that? You see that? He's fucking around. He's holding down the gas pedal and shit, thinking I'm thinking fuel pressure is cut or I left something off. Yo, the snap-on guy about to get me, y'all. I'm giving away shit for free. Alright, so these, this is last year we did these tickets. We did these last year. Alright, so we're gonna do is pop the door open. There's a QR. Put your information in. It's only for me and Dennis. Okay. Alright, so Snap-on's giving away tickets. We're giving away trips. We're giving away a trip out to the Grand Canyon with Travis Pastrana. We race side by side. Okay. Every week leading up to that in April, we're giving away stuff. We're also giving away 2 RC cars. We're giving away pizza ovens. We're giving away knives. We're giving away a bunch of different stuff. Alright, so when you put your information in there, we're gonna see you did it. In there's also surveys. Surveys are saying, hey, do you have a Snap-on toolbox? Do you have Snap-on sockets? Okay. Yes. Every time you take a survey, I'll give you another ticket. Alright, cool. Make a payment, I'll give you a ticket. Plus, you anything, you don't have to buy anything today. I'm giving you stuff. You make your payments on Friday? I made one today, actually. There you go. You get another ticket. Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so we're on the road right now. Then put the seatbelt on because this thing gonna be beeping non-stop. Alright. So we're gonna take it for a little joyride. The road right now is horrible, so I just gotta drive and make sure we don't hear no noises, no clunks. Alright, I have to roll the windows up. Make sure no lights come on the dash, no noises, no clunks, and then we should be good from there. Check this out, guys. It's nasty out here. Look at that. Check out the baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. All snowed up and stuff. Still look good as hell on the snow. Check that out. But let's go bang this road test out real quick and come back. Super nasty New York. And it's the first time, and this, to be honest, it's the first time we're getting some snow in a long time, to be honest. It's a long time. It's been a while. I feel like we haven't got any snow since I've been going upstate, kinda. But I'm gonna go this way, cause I could get on the highway kinda this way and go around. Yeah, the roads are super nasty, so I gotta drive super careful. But so far so good, guys. I don't hear no noises, no nothing. Steering feels good. Because to be honest, this is not that complicated. The hardest part was kind of like taking off the subframe and putting up the exhaust. I feel like that's the only thing I really needed help with. Everything else went super smooth, super smooth. She could use some wiper blades as well. So we're gonna add that to the list when we get back to the shop. She could definitely use some wiper blades. This is like the first time, I'm telling you guys, where it's snowing and it's sticked on the floor. Like, usually it don't snow. We get like a little sprinkle drops and that's it. We don't get anything else. But we got a little something yesterday, for sure. Trying to clean the windshield. I gotta put the heat up to the windshield. Give me 1 second. I'll turn this heat down as well. Shit blasting. Yeah, that's better. The wiper blades are horrible. So look, guys, at 37,000 miles, we had to add a new engine inside in this car. At 37,000 miles. I've been taking on a nice road test in the nasty New York weather. Hopefully she has some winter tires, cause you know. But yeah, silky smooth like butter, guys. No complaints so far. But yeah, guys, that's it for right now. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I got enough content for you guys when I swap the engine out of this thing. So for right now, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm gonna try to upload a lot more. I feel like I haven't uploaded in a long while, but I've been posting a lot of short videos. So if you guys been tuning into my shorts, you guys know, like, yo, I make a lot of great content with like just creating short video. Cause I'm not gonna lie, sometimes like the thing why I don't like making long videos, like when I do make long videos, right, you guys don't watch them. Like, they take so long to get views, and when I make the shorts, they get views right away. You know what I mean? So that's why I started making shorts. So if you guys like the shorts or long videos better, let me know, guys, because I'll do whatever you guys like, literally. But that's it for right now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.